Hello students, I am Dr. Saraswati Agrawal, Associate Professor in Chemistry, GDV Government Girls College, Kota. Students, we are discussing organometallic compounds and or the compounds of the magnesium. These are also known as Grignard reagents. Grignard reagent is used in the formation of carbon-carbon bonds and when we use in alcohols. It is used for many in the preparation of many synthetic compounds. In the alcohols, there is a nucleophilic addition to carbonyl compounds. We have already discussed the nucleophilic addition to carbonyl compounds. In that way, the addition of the carbon and we will get the desired compounds. Similarly, mechanism of that reaction is followed by the monomeric nature of the Grignard reagent. Next is the addition of two alpha beta unsaturated ketones. When alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds react with the Grignard reagent in the 1,2 or 1,4 positions. When 1,2 addition takes place, there is a desired compound or the Grignard reagent is reacted. And when 1,4 addition takes place, there is a carbon 1 and carbon 4 is attached, or we will get the keto compounds. The dominancy or the predominating factor is in deciding the course of addition is steric hindrance. When bulky group is present, then the both RR are large and R dash has greater influence than R group. In the first step, 1,2 addition is addition to the carbonyl group, or whereas we can see that the other hand 1,4 addition can be made to predominant by carrying out the reaction in presence of cuprous chloride, cupric acetate, like mechanism is now free radical mechanism. When the Grignard reagent is used reactions with epoxides, we can see that the strained small ring cycle ethers. For example, ethers are having small ring epoxide or likewise oxirane react with Grignard reagent and the open up to relieve the strain. When Grignard reagent is react with epoxide rings, forming alcohols having two carbon atom more than the alkyl or the aryl group. And we can see the when oxirane or epoxide is used react to Grignard reagent and we will get the hexanol and OH group is attached to one carbon atom and 60% yield found. The method provided rapid means of extending carbon chains by 2-3 carbon atoms respectively. In that case, we will get the higher hydrocarbons or the higher compounds with carbon atom more. When aldehydes are react, the Grignard reagent add to the ethyl orthoformate forming a acetal which is converted to the aldehydes by mild acid hydrolysis, and it is believed that the acetals when aldehydes are react, the reaction is very useful when the direct methods of are unsuccessful. For example, Likewise, we can see that the aldehydes or the acetals are ionized and added by magnesium acting as the Lewis acid and by the carbon cation stabilizing ability of the two removing alkoxy groups, and reaction of this cation with further Grignard reagent gives the acetals. In this reaction, Grignard reagent is react with ethyl orthoformate and forming a acetal. Similarly, aldehydes may also be prepared by the reaction between a Grignard reagent and hydrogen cyanide or formamide. When Grignard reagent react hydrogen cyanide, in this reaction aldemine is formed, and this react to form the desired compound. Ketones. When ketones may be prepared by adding either of the reagent to Grignard reagents, in this reaction when ketones we will use first is by the adding alkyl cyanide to a Grignard reagent. When alkyl cyanide is added to Grignard reagent, reaction takes place and we will get the ketones. In that case, R and R dash alkyl groups are different. These may be followed by further more reactions by adding N and di-substituted amide to Grignard reagent and treating the magnesium derivative so obtained with acid. In that case, N and di-substituted amide is used with Grignard reagent and desired ketone we will get them. Ketone is formed. In the chain of these reactions, acid chlorides may be used with Grignard reagent. When acid chlorides, one molecule of acid chloride react with Grignard reagent, reaction is very rapid and fast. In the trihydrofuran, we will get the ketones. In that case, ketone is tertiary alcohol also used, and tertiary alcohols is also formed when one equivalent is not used. So by the use of different compounds, we will get aldehydes, ketones. Reactions of Grignard reagent we can also synthesize the carboxylic acids. कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड्स के केस में बच्चों द जो हम यूज़ करते हैं कार्बोनाइल कंपाउंड्स जो यूज़ करते हैं दैट इज़ द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. व्हेन Grignard reagent react to with carbon dioxide to form a complex, firstly a complex is formed and which is decomposes with dilute acid to form a monocarboxylic acid. When carbon dioxide is used and we will get the monocarboxylic acid, there is only one carboxylic group is present. On the other hand, a good yield of acid may also be obtained by passing the carbon dioxide in the Grignard reagent solution when temperature is 0 degree centigrade. This method is particularly useful for preparation of acids of the type N trimethyl acetic acid can be obtained in 70% yield and tertiary butyl chloride is used. In that case, we will get the compounds with carboxylic acid, and Grignard reagent is very useful in the synthesis of carboxylic acids. In other method, reactions of elements other than कार्बन, जिसमें कार्बन के अलावा जो एटम है वो यूज होता है. The Grignard reagents may be used to form a link between carbon and other elements such as oxygen, sulfur, halogens. So, Grignard reagent or the application of Grignard reagent is in the formation of hydroperoxides. Hydroperoxides can be prepared with the use of Grignard reagent. So when a Grignard reagent is added slowly at low temperature to ether through which oxygen is bubbling, forms the magnesium derivative of a hydroperoxide, which yields the hydroperoxide with acid, and tertiary butyl hydroperoxide can be obtained in 90% yield in this way. So the thiols or reaction with sulfur leads to the thiols. By this method, thiols can be prepared. So the Grignard reagent, when react with sulfur, a complex is formed and it will give rise to thiols. Halides can be formed. The Grignard reagent, when added to iodine, forming alkyl iodides, and the reaction is very useful when the direct method are unsuccessful. For example, neopentyl chloride. When neopentyl chloride is treated with sodium iodide, fails to form the neopentyl iodide. Thus, the Grignard reagent is used in that way, and it may be prepared from the neopentyl chloride, and it reacts with iodine to form neopentyl iodide, and sulfinic acid. Sulfinic acid is sulfinic acid is used to form the sulfinic acids may be prepared. Sulfur dioxide reacts with Grignard reagent and like that of carbon dioxide, and form the sulfinic acid. Sulfinic acid is prepared in this way very easily. Amines can be prepared. When Grignard reagents react with alkyl magnesium chloride or bromide, but not iodides, react with orthomethyl hydroxyl amines and form the primary amines. By this way, primary amines can be prepared, or chloramine has also been used to prepare the amines, but is unpleasant to handle and yields and reasonable only for the tertiary alkyl group. So the Grignard reagent have much more synthetic applications to form the various type of organic compounds. Alkyl cyanides. Alkyl cyanides also be prepared with the help of Grignard reagents. When cyanogen, one molecule, reacts with a Grignard reagent, one molecule, to form an alkyl cyanide. Alkyl cyanides are also formed along with alkyl chloride. When a Grignard reagent, one molecule is added to an ethereal solution of cyanogen chloride, which is also one molecule. The latter should always be in excess, and since the alkyl cyanide produced tends to react with the Grignard reagents. So the in this reaction alkyl cyanides are formed, and the method is best for preparing tertiary alkyl cyanides. In this way, tertiary alkyl cyanides can easily prepared and best method for preparation of that cyanides. So students, Grignard reagent or the organometallic compounds with magnesiums are best reagents to form many more organic compounds, or it is used in the synthesis of organic compounds. So it's have chemical as well as application part is much more important. So students, in the next lecture we will discuss other compounds in which metal atom is different. Thank you.